In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Peace be with you.
Please be seated for the message of His Excellency Most Reverend Leo M. Donald, SDD, Bishop Emeritus of San Pablo.
My dear people of God, Diocese of San Pablo, I am aware that you were shocked to learn that I resigned from my duties as Bishop of San Pablo. With old age taking its toll on me, I humbly ask for your understanding. My resignation, I believe, is for your continual good. I thank His Holiness, the Pope, and you, dear sons and daughters, for giving me the chance to be your shepherd for the past 8 meaningful years. I ask you to show the same respect, love, and obedience that you rendered to me, to your new pastor, Bishop Ben. As I lay down my responsibilities as your bishop, I take on a new form of service in this diocese. And like Pope Benedict XVI, who has resigned from the Petrine ministry, I will always remember you, your names and faces in my prayer before the Good Shepherd. I will always pray that you may always be filled with the vitality of life in faith from Mundi Vita. As for me, I am at peace. My spiritual father, Saint John Bosco, once said that nobody can be truly happy in this world unless he is at peace with God. Thank you very much. God bless you.